Starting a business is exciting, but it's not all smooth sailing. Before you dive in, there are some crucial things you need to know to set yourself up for success. In this video, I'll break down the top things you must understand before starting your business. Let's get started. First, know your why. Why are you starting this business? Is it to solve a problem, follow your passion, or fill a gap in the market? Understanding your motivation will keep you focused and help you push through challenges when things get tough. Write it down and keep it clear. It's your foundation. Second, do your research. Don't assume your idea is unique. Verify it. Research your market, competitors, and target audience. What do they need? And how can your business solve their problem better than others? A solid understanding of your industry will help you build a business that stands out. Third, create a business plan. This doesn't have to be overly complicated, but it should cover your goals, strategies, financial projections, and action steps. Think of it as your roadmap to success. A good plan can also help you secure funding or investors. Next, know your numbers. Starting a business costs money, and you need to have a clear idea of your startup costs, expected income, and expenses. Don't forget to plan for emergencies. Keep your personal and business finances separate. Open a business bank account and manage your money wisely. Finally, be ready to learn and adapt. Entrepreneurship is a journey of constant learning. You'll face unexpected challenges, and how you adapt will define your success. Seek advice from mentors, read books, and stay open to feedback from customers and peers. So, there you have it. 5 key things you must know before starting your business. Know your why, do your research, create a business plan, understand your finances, and stay adaptable. Starting a business is hard work, but with the right preparation, you can build something truly amazing. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and let me know in the comments what business idea you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.